Hello, good morning. This is Amaro Residence. This project is located in Bikingdawis, Panglao Island, Bohol. So the Jade unit. So Jade is single detached, then 3 to 5 bedrooms, floor plan. This is optional. So floor area niya is around 71.56 to 86.84 square meter of minimum. So lot area is 110 square meter. So this is the update as of now, June 22, 2024. This is the finish outside. Very nice and modern house. So car park, good for 2 cars. So this is the main door. Then going to the kitchen. So, ongoing pa ang construction. Na siya yung mga cabinets. Then room sa ubos. Sa taas tapos siya yung room, 2 rooms. So for more information, just call us or message.